Hi, it's Pyrosaj. I've got another supermarket leaflet for Lidl. They've got standard fireworks here for Bonfire Night 2024. They're on sale from the 15th of October. Let's have a look. So it looks to be the same as last year. First we've got the giant sparklers, 10 pack of sparklers for £1.99. We've got the strike, 4 pack of shot tubes, single shots, £4.99. Here we've got the magnetism selection box, 14 pieces, the 8 fountains, 3 Roman candles, 2 shot tubes and 1 cake. That's £14.99. Here we've got the mission rocket pack, 16 low noise rockets for £19.99. Then we've got the Storm Force 25 shot barrage, that's £19.99. Then we've got Velocity 56 shot cake, £39.99, 40-second duration. And here we've got Supercharged. This is a 90 shot multi-shot cake, £49.99. And then here's the multi-buy, so it's 3 for £25. Firstly, we've got the Thunderbolt 6 pack of Luna's rockets, all £99 each. Then we've got the Energizer, part of the multi-buy. So this is a 12-piece selection box. And Live Wire, the third choice of the multi-buy. So this is a 16-shot cake, 25-second duration. And that's all there is from Lidl. Thanks.